Welcome back to this video tutorial on how to use Microsoft Word as a document camera or whiteboard. In this session, I'm going to show you how to use an iPhone in order to transfer images easily so that you can use those pictures inside this teaching tool. Let me share with you what it's like to download images from an Apple iCloud link. I'm going to show you a video from my phone of what it looks like to select images and then to email that link to myself. I used the select button. I slid my finger across the screen in order to select all the images that were important to me. I used the uplift. I call it the uplift button. I'm sure that Apple calls it something else, maybe the send or the share button. And then I'm going to scoot down the screen until I find that option where it says iCloud link. And then you'll notice how it's copying that iCloud link for me. I'm now going to go into my email. I'm going to create a brand new email. I'm going to type my own email address in there because I'm going to send it to myself. And then after I do that, I'm going to hold my finger down in the body of that email space so that I can paste the link in there, and then I'm going to click the send button. Now, there's more than one way that you can send images from your phone to your computer. If you want to use that power cable and then drag those over, that's another option. So here I am inside of my email, and I had a chance to send that sample email to myself. I'm going to click right there where it says share iCloud link. It's going to open in a brand new tab, and then it's going to give me the option of downloading all of those images. And I can click a couple buttons so that I'm not downloading all of them if I don't want to. But if I want to download all of them at one time, that's a quick and easy way to download them. It's going to come to me as a zipped folder. I want to make sure that I unzip those images, and then I can drag and drop those images into that document. Download, and I don't have to sign in. I can just click where it says download. I'm going to double click on that folder. It's going to open up that folder for me. After it opens up that folder, I'm going to click right here where it says extract all. Unfortunately, with zip folders, you have to extract all. It's a temporary folder. I'm going to throw it away when I'm done, but I just need to get those images for the purpose of the teaching lesson. Okay, there's more than one strategy to highlight all of them. You can sort of scooch a box over them. You can click in the little boxes here. There's like 3 or 4 different ways that you can select all. On your keyboard, you can do Control A, lots of different ways. And then I literally can just drag. I'm leaving my index finger down on that mouse button. I'm sliding over, and then I'm going to let go, and it's literally going to drop all of those pages into my document. Now, for this particular situation, you'll notice how they're up and down. For this specific lesson, I might want layout, and I might want to change the orientation. That way the page on the screen matches the orientation of that original page. And you'll notice how those pictures didn't instantly flip for me. So I can click on that image, and unfortunately the little popsicle stick that I'm looking for is kind of scooted up on the page. The little spinny thing that I want is all the way up here. After I click on the image so that the white circles are in the corner, I can click on Picture Format right over here where it looks like there's a rectangle and then there's an arrow. I can say rotate to the left 90 degrees. And then it's going to rotate that image for me. And this is something that I would do right before the lesson. And to be honest with you, as an area, if one person takes week 1, one person takes week 2, one person takes week 3, you can divide that up so only one person does this per week. So just a tiny bit of work on one person's effort, share that out, and then you have all of those pages inside various different documents. So I'm going to scoot up to the correct page. I'm going to get rid of my menu. I'm going to click the X over here because I don't need to format that picture anymore. I'm going to zoom in perfectly so that I can share this with my students. And then now using the stylus, I can come up to draw. Okay, maybe blue is the right color. And I'm going to model on this page what 8 looks like. So I'm going to show the students what it looks like on their end to show what 8 looks like. And there's more than one way to do 8. If the textbook says that you're supposed to draw some in red and some in yellow, then you as the teacher can choose that pen color so that it models appropriately. Okay, it's up to you and your style of teaching. And then if you want those to make sure that they're the right color, you can do that. Then you can come back up here and then choose black or whatever. If you want the students to use the red pen right here and then the yellow, colored pencil or whatever, then you can. If you want to get rid of that and then scoot down and then the students can share their thoughts. This is how I did it. I did 5 + 3 and I did such and such. Then you can model how that works. I don't need to go through the process of explaining how to do that all over again. You can repeat that process here and then you can scoot down the page and then you can continue on and then read through those instructions. In this situation, if you want to highlight because you want the kids to clearly understand, or if you want their eyes to follow along where you're reading, then you can highlight exactly while you're reading so they know exactly what you're doing at that time. All right, team, I'm going to close out this lesson. Thanks so much for paying attention and have a great day.